Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna see how you can delete files and directories in Python. So first I'm gonna create a new file called text.txt. I'll go inside main.py. I'm gonna type import os and I'll type here os.remove and I'm gonna type text.txt. So now as you can see the file is here, but if I run this, the file was deleted immediately. Now if I run this again, we get this file not found error. So let's surround this with try and except. So try, let's move this, let's add an except, file not found error, and we'll say print that file was not found. So now if I run this, now it says that file was not found instead of crashing our program. Now let's say that I want to delete a directory. So I'm going to create a new directory here, an empty directory called, let's call it folder, and let's try to remove it. So I'm gonna type here folder. So if I run this, now we get permission error. Let's add another except here, except permission error is gonna say print you do not have permission to delete this, delete that permission. Now to delete an empty directory you need to use something else. So let's comment this. We need to go here and we need to type os.remove directory. So I'm gonna type rm directory, and now we need to pass the path. Let's put folder. Now if I run this, as you can see that the directory now was deleted. Now what I can't find is, what I can't do, not find, what I can do is I cannot delete a directory which has files in it. So if I create a new directory, let's call it also folder, and inside this folder I'm going to create a file text.txt, and if I try to delete that using os.remove directory, if I run this, we get os error. So let's use except there also. Let's type os error, and it's gonna say print that folder contains files. To remove this we need to use something else. So let's comment this, and we need to import shuttle, and now I'm going to go down here. I'll type shuttle dot remove 3. Now I'm going to put parentheses, and I will put here folder. Of course you can create path here, a variable, and we can put folder, and that will work. So let me change this to path. So now if I run this, now as you can see the directory with the file was removed. You can also put an else. You can put an else here. It's gonna say print path plus deletion was successful. So let's create again the directory. So directory folder, let's press Ctrl Z, not this. Let me delete this. So go up here on this directory, let's call it folder, let's put a file, text.txt, and I'm gonna put here path plus deletion was successful. So if you run this, folder deletion was successful. So everything works fine. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in the next video.